Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. So today we are taking a look over another miner. It is on Binance Smart Chain and the name is BNB. So as you can see, they are going with the B theme over here. This is my apiary and this apiary consists of Hives. So what happens is you come over here when you deposit your BNB, that BNB will be converted into Hives, which means our initial deposit will be our sunk cost and we cannot get it back as it is. The only way we can get it back is through the daily rewards. So as you can see, they are offering daily yield of 6%, and on the daily profit tab you can see your daily rewards in the form of BNB. Now what they offer something different is on the harvest tab. So the BNB that you will earn, you can see it in the honeypot, and there is a timer which tells you when your honeypot will fill in, and I think it is around 48 hours to be exact, and this is the compound timer. So what this miner does is that in order to get the maximum returns you are required to compound 10 times, which means you will have to compound 6 days because you can compound every 12 hours, and when you deposit your BNB it will also count as 1 times. And when this timer is completed, on the 7th day you can sell that honey and take your BNB rewards into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that you use. So this miner is really new and total value logged is 27 BNBs with an APR of 2190% and total deposits as of now is 79. Now coming over to their white paper, what makes it different from other similar platforms? The BNB has several anti-dumping and anti-whale measures in place to ensure the longevity of the product. These measures include maximum deposits as well as a cutoff time and a cooldown time for withdrawals. The cutoff time is the amount of time it will take for your honey jar to be full of honey. Once the jar is full, it will stop filling until you have taken some action in the game. This is to prevent whales from letting their rewards accumulate for a long time and removes false impression the contract value is going up. Okay, so what they are saying that once your honey pot is filled, you will have to take some action. Either you will have to sell that honey or you'll have to compound it. But keep in mind that if you sell it before completing this compound number, you will be penalized with a hefty 80% tax. First, you will have to fill in this compound number, then you can take your rewards. So the compound counter is the number of times the user has compounded. By default, the required compound count by the platform is 10, meaning the user will have to compound 10 times, compound once every 12 hours before they can withdraw without the feedback tax of 80%. To reward users who compound, there is a bonus when you reinvest and build more hives to increase your daily honey earnings instead of selling it. The bonus increases 4% every 12 hours that you compound without withdrawing, 40% maximum after 5 days. Okay, so this incentivizes the user to compound more often. So I think this is a really good strategy, really good mechanics that they have placed over here. And coming over to the roadmap, this is their roadmap right now. So guys, this is it. This is for the BNB miner. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed the content, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.